And more breaking news coming in. The Pune police has released a sketch of one of the gang rape accused. Remember, as my colleague Yasha Kotak was pointing out, 3 suspects have been detained by the police. They are being interrogated by the police, and they are history sheeters when it comes to this gruesome crime that has come to light from Pune. To get more details on the investigation, I'm joined by my colleague Yasha Kotak live on the broadcast. Yasha, over to you.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, now considering that cops have have taken sketch of 2 of the accused in this case, details that have come out. In fact, this sketch would be then circulated amongst the local network of police, and they'll try to identify who these accused were. In all, there were 3 accused in this case. In fact, cops had detained several people in the morning to understand who these people were, who the accused were. But these history sheeters have now been left off, and which is where the sketch comes forth. Now here, the sketch in this case is that of 2 accused in the gang rape case. The cops took help of the experts. They've also recorded statements from the victim and that of the friend of the victim. Now, on the basis of this very sketch is where crime branch team is working on the further course of action. Apart from that, several police officers in Pune, they are also on the lookout of these 2 accused. So yes, this is the current development in the case as of now. When you speak of the other details in this very case, when it comes to the crime spot, there was the team of forensic was present there. Senior officers from Pune Police, including the commissioner, had also visited the spot. As of now, cops are on the lookout of the accused in this case, and we'll have to wait to get further details as to who these accused were. Were they history seekers? How did they come across at that spot? All of these details are something that are yet awaited.
Right. Thank you, Yasha, for getting us the latest in the investigation, and the political war words also escalating over this matter, where Supriya Sule has now questioned the Maharashtra government. Let's listen into more reactions coming in.
उसका अपहरण किया, मारपीट की, मतलब अपराधियों में कानून का कोई खौफ रहा नहीं। अपराधी जान गए हैं कि क्या कोई कर लेगा। ये सरकार उदासीन है, सरकार लापरवाह है, सरकार में कानून व्यवस्था नाम की कोई चीज नहीं है। अपराधी बेधड़क घूम रहे हैं, वो भी नवरात्रि के पावन पर्व में। कल ही नवरात्रि का पहला दिन हुआ, घट स्थापना हुई। हम शक्ति की पूजा करते हैं, माँ दुर्गा की पूजा करते हैं, अपनी बच्चियों को, अपनी माताओं बहनों को हम शक्ति कहते हैं, और आज ये घटना सुनने आ गई।
काल रात्री एक 21 वर्षाची मुलगी हे आपला मित्रांसोबत बोपदेव घाटाला गेली होती। हे लोक तिथे सरासरी 11च्या दरम्यान पोहोचले आहे रात्री, आणि त्यानंतर तिथे हे लोक बसून गप्पा वगैरे मारत होते। ते झाल्यानंतर त्या ठिकाणी 3 अनोळखी लोक आलेले आहेत, आणि त्यांनी जे आहे या मुलगाला मारहाण केली आहे आणि मुलगीवर अतिप्रसंग केलेले आहे। या घटना झाल्यानंतर मुलाने आपले नातेवाईक आहे त्यांना माहिती दिली।
दुख के साथ आपको कहना चाहती हूँ, जी हाँ, मेरे ही निर्वाचन क्षेत्र में 1 महीने में दूसरी बार ये घटना हुई है। दौंड में एक घटना हुई, उसको अभी 3 हफ्ते भी नहीं हुए, और आज कल रात को एक्चुअली मुझे फोन आया था पुलिस का। ये बहुत दुख देने वाली ऐसी घटना मेरे निर्वाचन क्षेत्र में हुई है, कल पूना शहर में भी हुई है। तो रोज आप देख रहे हैं महाराष्ट्र का जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर है वो हर तरह से फेल हो रहा है। भले महिलाओं की सुरक्षितता हो, ड्रग्स हो, हिट एंड रन की केस हो, कोयता गैंग हो, आप देख रहे रोज पूना। मैं बड़ी दुख के साथ ये कह रही हूँ कि पूना आज महाराष्ट्र का क्राइम कैपिटल हो रहा है। ये पूरा फेलियर ये महाराष्ट्र के ट्रिपल इंजन सरकार का है।
And that's all we have to pack in on the show. We're going to take a quick break now. Up